Good morning, good afternoon, evening to all. So, welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav. Today, we are discussing on a topic that is climate change. Let's take an act. Firstly, climate change. Climate change. It is a long-term change in weather, and climate change cause different changes in different areas. As you can see in the back screen, that in the right side, the earth is having a drought, and on the other hand, it is green, full of green. And there are some sudden climate changes also, sometimes in summer rain occurs, and some climate changes are man-made also, because we uses ACs, it increases global warming and deforestation. Because of these, the temperature increases and the floods are caused. And some climate changes are natural also, such as volcano eruption, sun's activity, etc. That's
Okay, so I agree with Paridhi. She told that nowadays climate change is normal in nowadays. As we can see in Dehradun, in Kedarnath, we can see there is a lot of flood, and these are the result of climate change, because climate change is happening nowadays because people are not caring our environment. They are just destroying our environment. The nature is taking action with them. So I hope everyone will understand that if we will behave nicely with nature, the nature will also behave nicely with us. And we can stop this climate change by planting more trees. And if we talk about Dehradun, so there are so many landslides, floods, and etc.
So yes, I am agree with Tejal, as Tejal told that there is so many landslides, and for this we have to plant more and more trees to decrease the situation of climate changes. And the climate change is very bad thing for us because it affects also on our health and also ability to grow food, etc. So that's important to plant more and more trees to maintain the climate. And climate change is that thing which that climate change is like long term changes in weather and temperature of our area.
So I agree with her. So as Manvi and Tejal also said that humans are causing these type of climate changes by themselves only, because nowadays using cars, using electrical vehicles are normal in our daily lives, but the humans are not caring that it is causing many much pollution in our nature, and it is also harming the environment. That's why nowadays many of the natural disasters and man-made disasters are also happening, such as landslide has also occurred in Dehradun, as they said. And many of in my area also, one warning has been come about flood, that flood can be occurred, but it hasn't. So for that we can use the vehicles, we can use vehicles in a less quantity. Like most of the peoples are using vehicle when they are not needed, like they are not very needy to go anywhere, but they are going some anywhere to have fun, and it is causing very much pollution in our nature. That and from factories also very much smoke is coming, so that is also harming our nature. For that we should stop using these kind of things, or if we cannot stop using them, so we can use them in a less quantity.
Yes, I am agree with all point. Climate change is a change of weather and climate due to it cause humans are also causes this. And it is also caused by nature. We should grow plant more and more. uh, as we can see that now the weather is sunny, but after some time it was changed in cloudy, and after some time it was changed in sunny. Thank you.
So, poverty is also called because of climate change, such as flood is caused, and the homes of the poor person destroy, and then they face poverty, and species extinct also because of climate changes, such as a species of animal found in one area also, and in that area changed occurred like a flood, so they will extinct.
Yeah, I agree with Pariti, Ishika, and I agree with Aradhya, but I disagree also because as she told that if we will use electrical vehicles, so it will harm our environment, but it is not correct. If we will use electrical vehicles, so it will be environmentally friendly with electrical vehicle, and if we are using the vehicle which wants the petrol, diesel, so it harms our environment because it release harmful gases by that, and as she told that it is harmful for our environment, that if we will just use AC and these all things, so it will harm our environment. So yeah, I agree with her.
Yes, I am agree with her. As Tejal told that electric vehicles are environment friendly because it helps to decrease the air pollution level in our city and in our town, because electric vehicle do not produce no much pollution, because these are but these are like battery, these are used by batteries, and for this we can if we are thinking to buy a car, so we can think to buy a electric car because it helps to reduce the pollution, air pollution in our area and in our town.
So I accept that I said the wrong thing and Tejal corrected it. So yeah, I agree with them both that Tejal said that if we use AC and like that, we no, unnecessary, so they will harm our environment, and the ways that can be used to reduce the climatic changes can be, we should use these kind of things very lessly when when it is need very much, then only we should use them for a special purpose. Whenever it is not needed, we should not go for a, like many people are doing fun of them, making fun of them, like if they are not needed then also they are using them. The climate is very cold, then also they are using the ACs and coolers, etc. And when they doesn't need to go anywhere, they have to stay at their homes, they always go outside to visit, and they said that the life is for fun only, but the life is not for but the life is not a mess, it's a thing which is which if we respect this, it will give happiness to us.
Yes, I agree with Tejal point because he said that about electric vehicles. Electric vehicle is eco-friendly, and and now electric vehicles, we can see electric vehicle anywhere, and as you know that petroleum take uh, millions of year to make. Thank you.
So climate, let's take an example of natural climate change, that is volcano eruption. Because of volcano eruption, so many deaths are caused, like nearby the volcanoes, so many animals are there, and some tourists also visit. So if the volcano erupts suddenly, so the deaths are also caused.
Yeah, I agree with Pariti as she told about the volcanic eruption. Yeah, it happened suddenly after millions of years. And if we talk about volcano, so it harms so many things nearby it. And if we take an example of man-made disaster like pollution and etc., so it is common nowadays, as we can see in Delhi. There is a lot of pollution and people are not able to survive. There is a security of oxygen, we can say. And if we talk about the natural disaster like a landslide, so it happens mostly everywhere, in every state, but in the Kerala and Dehradun it is so common because it is a hilly area.
So yes, I am agree with everyone, and I want to say that to decrease the climate change, so we can use some things like we use plastic bags and plastic things. So we can stop to use that, and we can use paper and cloths things, because it will be recycled. But plastic is not recycled. It take more time, and also it create pollution a lot.
So, I agree with Tejal and Manvi that she said that we should not pollute also. Let's take an example like if we stop someone to do not cut the tree. So if in case he says that if I will not cut the tree, so what about the other person? So we should say tell him and remember that a pot is filled with the drop and drop.
Yes, I agree with all point. Just take an example of climate change, natural climate change, like volcanic eruption and heavy rain and many more. Heavy rain is also causes flood, and many people are died because of flood, but it is natural. So yeah, I agree with all the three girls, and I want to say that if we save the environment, so it will be not good for anyone else. It will good for us only, because we are living on the earth. We can survive by living on the earth only, and earth is our planet. It's our home, and if we will respect our life, so only we can survive.
So let's act for that. Like we should not cut trees, and we should stop everyone who are cutting trees, and we should not use air conditioners also.
So, in conclusion, I would like to say that just save our Mother Earth and take care of our nature. If we will take care of our nature, so it will be good for us and for our environment as well. And if you like this video, so just like, comment, and share.